What does a regular weekend look like for a single Chinese woman in her 40 plus living in a big city? Hello everyone, this is Amy from China. I'm a 40 plus single woman living in a big city, and I share my life with my cat Richie. It's 10 o'clock on Saturday morning. I'm off work today. I'm going to take my cat out to buy groceries and cook later. It's cloudy today. The weather is nice, neither cold nor hot. I'm taking Richie to the nearby market. It's just across one crossroads, only a few minutes walk. There are quite a few supermarkets around here, so shopping is really convenient. I've reached the market. It just opened earlier this year, and it's more affordable than regular supermarkets. They've got everything here: fresh veggies, meat, seasonings, and kitchen supplies. It's already noon, so there aren't many people here. Usually, lots of elderly folks come to shop around 7 or 8 in the morning. I'm going to buy some vermicelli first. It's 2 yuan a roll. There are so many cooking seasonings here. I need to buy some bay leaves, since I've almost run out at home. Bay leaves are commonly used for stews to make the flavor richer. Got the bay leaves. These red dates are 8 yuan 500 gram. I'll buy some. I mostly boil them in water for a drink. These are pitted, so they're much more convenient. Done with the dates. Time to look around for more groceries. Lots of grains here, corn and beans included. I get them for homemade mixed porridge. There are light soy sauce and all kinds of sauces. I still have plenty at home, so I don't need any for now. Bamboo leaves and sticky rice for Zongzi. The festival is next month, so I'll shop here and make them at home. Got the bay leaves weighed. Just 1 yuan for this pack. 2 rolls of vermicelli are 4 yuan. All items add up to 8 yuan. Next, I'm going to buy some pork. I plan to make braised pork with vermicelli for lunch today. There are different pork cuts. I need meat for braised pork and minced pork. The shopkeeper helped me choose a piece. The pork is quite large. I had part of it minced. I'll store the rest in the fridge. They noticed Richie and thought he was lovely. They said there's another cat that looks just like him at the stall next door. I'm paying now. This pork is 57.2 yuan. Now I'm at the vegetable section to pick some greens. There are all kinds of vegetables here. I'm buying some garlic dot. It's mainly used as a condiment. I got 3 cucumbers. I can make cold cucumber with vermicelli or serve them with soybean paste noodles. I also got a bunch of spinach. 2 fresh corns. Now I'm checking out. Cucumbers and garlic. 6 yuan spinach. 5 yuan 2 corns. 7 yuan total. 18 yuan. They gave me some free scallions, celery and coriander. I'm here for eggs. I'll pick up some eggs. I chose these eggs, they are cheap. 5.5 yuan per 500 gram. And I spent 16.6 yuan. Enough for me to eat for 1 or 2 weeks. I plan to buy some fruit. There are muskmelons here. I got 2 muskmelons. I loved eating muskmelons since I was a kid. These 2 muskmelons cost 6.7 yuan in total. Actually, I only paid 6.5 yuan. The seller gave me a little discount. I bought some vermicelli. I'm going to make cucumber with vermicelli salad today. These are all my groceries. I'm heading home now. There are shops selling milk and staple foods, like steamed buns, twisted rolls, and flat breads. I won't get anything else. I'm going home to cook rice. They also sell plates, bowls, and other kitchenware here. I'm on my way home now. It's the weekend, so there are many cars and people on the road. As soon as we got home, Richie hopped out of the car quickly. I think he prefers staying at home. These are all my purchases. They will last me for several days. The weather is getting hotter, so I'll put all these in the fridge. I'll divide them into small packs and freeze them. It's easy to take one out and thaw when I want to eat. Then I mop the floor. We live in a shared apartment. I stay home most of the time, so I mop whenever I'm free. I take it as daily exercise at home. After mopping, I'm going to do the laundry. It will take about 15 minutes. I'll take a quick shower while waiting. Every time I take a shower, Richie meows outside and waits by the door. After showering, I quickly dry my hair. I feel my hair has grown longer. It's getting hotter and hotter. Richie curled up on another chair and fell asleep. The laundry is done. I'll hang them by the window in my room. The apartment doesn't have a balcony. I had a clothes drying rack installed here myself, which makes hanging laundry much easier. After hanging up the laundry, I suddenly got an idea. My hair is too long, so I want to cut it at home. I did the same thing last time. Richie watched me curiously beside me. My mom cut our hair when we were kids. As we grew up, we started going to hair salons. During COVID, we couldn't go out, so I tried cutting my own hair. Now I'm my own Tony. I don't want any fancy styles. Just cut it shorter to keep cool in summer. I've finished cutting my hair. I feel much lighter and more refreshed. Have you ever tried cutting your own hair? Now I need to clean up. I swapped the big mop for this mini one to save space. It's small but really practical. Now I need to mop the floor again. Next, I'm going to make lunch. I'll start with cold cucumber and vermicelli. All the ingredients are ready now. Pour hot oil over minced garlic, scallions, and chili flakes. Mix soy sauce, salt, and sugar to make the dressing. Cook the vermicelli in boiling water. Shred the cucumber. Then mix them well together, and it's done. Next, I'll make braised pork with vermicelli. I cut a small piece of pork into chunks. All ingredients are ready, besides pork and vermicelli. I also have bay leaves, ginger, star anise, and more. First, I blanch the pork chunks with cooking wine and ginger. Then fry the pork chunks in the pan without oil. This way, it won't be too greasy. This cut has quite a lot of fat. I'll pick leaner meat next time. Take the pork out first. Add rock sugar to the pan and stir until it melts into caramel. Then put the pork back in to coat with the caramel. Add some light soy sauce, oyster sauce, cooking wine, and other seasonings. Then add ginger slices, star anise, and bay leaves and stir fry. Then pour in half a pot of boiling water and simmer for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I steam the rice too. I put a rack in the pot with some water, then place the rice bowl on top. It's really convenient. It usually takes around 20 minutes to steam thoroughly. Now add the vermicelli, as it takes around 20 minutes to cook through. The vermicelli is done. Add some salt and chopped scallions, and the braised pork with vermicelli is ready. It looks great and smells delicious. The rice is ready too. Time for lunch. Look at my feast. There's enough food for 2 meals, so I'll have the leftovers for dinner. Wow, it tastes amazing. Richie also has a good appetite today. The cucumber mixed with vermicelli is well seasoned and tastes great too. Even though I live alone, I still enjoy nice meals. Cooking at home is healthier. I used to order takeouts, but now I care more about my health. It also saves money. The muskmelon smells wonderful. It reminds me of the taste from my childhood. Richie always eats really fast. Once he's done, he goes off to be by himself. It's time for a nap after lunch. Richie has already settled down in his bed for a nap. I pulled the curtains closed and had a nice sound sleep. I napped for half an hour. When I woke up, the whole room was filled with warm sunshine. The sunshine is perfect for relaxing with a cup of tea. Richie also came over to soak up the sun. I'm heading to the kitchen to make ginger brown sugar tea. I'll add a few ginger slices, dates, longans, and some brown sugar, then simmer for 15 minutes. That's it. The tea is ready. Drinking tea in the sunshine makes me feel so relaxed. Some leaves of the bamboo look wilted. I'll trim them off. I'll also add new bamboo shoots in to make it look fresher and nicer. Drinking tea, enjoying the sunshine, and reading books. It makes my weekend so peaceful and lovely. As a single Chinese woman, this is how I spend my weekend. How do you spend yours? Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.